Are you okay?
I'm fine.
What's going on?
Well, you see, my friend, we do everything together. Like, we do sleepovers, and we go to cheerleading practice together, and we've been in the same small group for 4 years, and now she's moving.
I'm sure you'll be able to get together with her sometimes.
She's moving to Argentina.
Mom, check this out. Look at this silly-looking girl.
That silly girl, that's me.
What's this? What's this? Right there. It says, too good to be forgotten, Rose. Mom, I don't...
You know what, Cammy? I just got a great idea. I know how I can help you with your problem.
Sometimes things don't always go my way. I don't always get what I want. Sometimes things that I don't want to happen anyway. If we look in the Bible, we find that Jesus' disciples had problems too. Jesus had just been crucified. If they had just thought back to what happened a few nights earlier, they would have remembered what Jesus had said to them. We can also, when things aren't going our way, remember what Jesus said.
What is this, anyways?
Well, this is the thing that Mrs. F gave me. The advice, for my friend Tracy.
Hi, Tracy. It's Cammy. Well, obviously, duh. I just wanted to put something on tape to remind you that no matter how far apart we are, we're always going to be friends.
And friends of friends.